Oh, hey guys, what's going on? Good timing. You know why? Today I want to talk to you all about installing this shiplap from my friends over at Metrie. As you know, I've done my whole cottage with it. I've got this one wall left to do. So let's walk through the process together and see just how easy it is to install this stuff. Come on. Believe it or not, it really is that easy to put up a shiplap wall. Let me get this one on the wall and then we'll talk about it. We'll go over all the steps, all the tools you need. Give me 1 minute. That's how simple it is. So let's talk about this stuff. All right, like I said, this is Metrie's Option M Series shiplap. This is the 11.5-inch version. Great series Option M. I'm actually using some other products from the series later on in the reno. I'm going to be using the baseboard and the trims and the casings and the doors, but you'll see that at a later time. Right now, it's all about the shiplap. This stuff's super easy to install, super easy to cut. That comes pre-primed. And you know what? There's not many tools you need to do a job like this. Let me show you. Let me put this one aside. All right, so let's talk about the tools you're going to need to put up a shiplap wall. You know what? There's not very many. It's very easy, very simple. The biggest one you're going to need is a miter saw. You can get away with a circular saw, but a miter saw is just so much faster, so much more accurate when you're cutting to size like I need to do here between my two beams in the wall to make that shiplap fit nicely. The other main tool you're going to need is a brad nailer, an 18-gauge brad nailer with the right size nails, obviously. And those are really the two big tools that you'll need. Then you'll need some smaller things. Obviously, you need a tape measure. You need a pencil to mark out your length so that you know where to cut. A little torpedo level will come in handy when you're putting in your first few pieces so that you make sure that your wall's nice and level. And if you want to, it's not necessary, but if you want to be extra confident that those walls are never going anywhere, you can use a little bit of construction adhesive on the back of your shiplap against the 2x4s or against the previous wall that's there, because the nice thing with the shiplap is you can put it up right over an existing wall. You don't have to do what I did and tear out the wall and start from the 2x4s. You can if you want to, but you don't need to. You can put this stuff right up over a pre-existing wall, which I actually did at home on a feature wall. I just went right up over the drywall. Quick, simple, easy. All right, so you know what? Enough talking. Let's get this wall done. Let's measure up for our next piece. Get outside on the miter saw, cut it, and come back in, and let's get this thing installed. Come on. $51 1/4. Let's go. Come on, I'll meet you outside. The beauty of working outside, you don't have to worry about the sawdust. Just let it go and be part of nature. Let's get this piece up on the wall. Come on. It's so easy. Let's do it. So the beauty of shiplap is it's basically a tongue and groove system. You got one in there, one end there, and one piece just fits into the other like a puzzle. Get it on, make sure it's sitting flush, nail it on. Let me grab my brad nailer. Doesn't get easier than that. What do you say we get the rest of this wall done? Come on. So that's it. That's all. The shiplap is up. So easy, so simple. Honestly, if you're thinking about doing it, let me tell you, if I can do it, you can definitely do it. I guarantee you that. You don't need many tools. The product is so easy to work with. Again, Metrie's Option M line, such a good line of products. I don't know what else to tell you. It's that easy. Do it. Make your own wall. I'll talk to you next time.